Guys, so it's me again, yung ating Jaja, no edit, no filter, just me. So for today's vlog yan, another vlog na naman. And this is about mga pangarap, pursuing your dreams and goals. So ayan, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay? And ayan, nabasa nyo na may title. So, don't let anyone ruin your day. Just continue dreaming. All right? Dreaming and pursue your dreams. Okay? Because, ayan, gaya ng sinasabi ko, maraming sisira ng araw natin. Marami ding tao na magbibigay ng challenge sa atin every day, each day. Yes, you are right. But what I'm what I want to say, what I'm trying to say is still be kind. Everyone can be right, but still be kind. Even the world is not so good to you, the other is not good to you, the other did not treat you well. Yes, hindi natin sila mapipigilan. And what the best thing you can do is inhale, exhale, more patience, and still be kind. Don't be like her or don't be like him. Okay? Even the others is trying to put you down. Even the other is trying to um push you to the limit. Inhale and still be kind. Huwag mo silang papatulan, okay? Because one day, they will realize that hindi tama yung ginawa nila. Okay? So, pumapasok dito yung dreams kasi nandito yung mga challenges. Habang inaabot mo yung mga dreams, papasok yung mga ganyan tao. Sisirain talaga yung mood mo, sisirain yung lahat. Cha-challenge ka kasi hindi mawawala ang challenge sa pag-abot ng pangarap. The more na nahihirapan ka, the more na napapalapit ka na sa pangarap mo. Ang sinasabi ko sa'yo, lagi mong isipin, God is with you. Nothing is impossible with God. Kailangan mo lang siyang kausapin. And minsan maiiyak na lang tayo, di ba? Kasi ibig sabihin, you are talking to Him by your heart. He is seeing you by heart. And kapag nakikita niya yung heart mo is pure, sinasabi ko sa'yo na one day matutupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. But this vlog is about teaching you na kumalma kayo. Huwag kayong gagante. Don't fight back. Don't try to fight back kasi magiging ganun din kayo. Just be cool and siya naman, pag-pray mo na lang yung tao na yun na sumira ng araw mo and nag-put you down kasi marirealize niya din yun one day. Okay? Everyone can be right. Everyone can be right, but not everyone can be kind, okay? Sinasabi ko lang sa inyo, patuloy nyo lang yung mga pangarap nyo. Kahit maraming challenges and mga tao nagda-down sa'yo, you keep pushing. One day, maaabot mo rin yan, okay? And one day, marirealize niya, oh, si Janine, ganon, ganyan. O, di ba? Comment down below if naranasan mo ngayong araw to. Kasi ako naranasan ko ngayong araw. Sinishare ko lang sa inyo. So, today is September 5. And this vlog is made today. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko pa to i-upload. Okay? Bye! See you in my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe!